Right, Kiran, I want to, understand from you. Last week, if I look at the candlestick, then it's a bearish engulfing. And if I see the short-term uptrend in Nifty, the trend line support has been breached and we are seeing downward pressure. How, from a short-term investor perspective, one should position themselves? Do you think that we are heading towards much lower levels, or you see any support midway?
You're right, Siddharth. We believe that the markets are into a corrective mode. This is an intermediate trend of the long-term uptrend. There's nothing bearish about the long term, but definitely, even last Thursday, Friday, when we were speaking, I was pretty bearish looking at the current chart structure. Even on the monthly charts, we were at the top end of the resistance line. So that was the main barrier which we were testing for the last 4 weeks. Finally, we gave in and we are below the trend line, as you rightly mentioned. The next support would be the last time swing bottom that we had at around the 9,700 mark, but that I believe is not going to be protected. The kind of sharp fall that we have seen, the vertical rally that we have seen downwards, will have a base at around 9750 or something for a short term. Then it will do a time correction and then slip further down. So the next 2-3 months, I believe, will be full of pain, and the market should settle down at around the 9,400, 9,200 kind of levels. So these are the main levels that I would be watching out from the long-term charts, which will provide a base, and then thereon we'll see a big up move after that.
Coming to your picks, short-term picks, you are suggesting to sell a couple of mid-caps, but you are bullish on pharma name like Divis Lab?
Yes, UPL is one stock that we believe that should be sold on right now. Actually, when I wrote to you, it was trading at around 775. Now it's trading at 766, and I believe there will be selling pressure from here on as well. Now the trailing stop loss would be placed at around 777 levels, and the target of 751 to 755 to 751 is likely to be achieved. The second would be BATA. BATA has been an outperformer for now, and we are seeing a tremendous kind of selling pressure with open interest additions as well. So 701 would be my stop loss, and targets of 677 is likely is possible. Defensives is one way to look at on the trading view. Divis Lab is a buy from my side. We have a stop loss at 960, 958. It is trading at around those levels itself, and a target of 995 is likely to be achieved in the next 2 trading sessions.
All right, there you go. Kiran, it will be interesting to understand your views because I believe you have an exit on this stock. It has seen a rise in the last 1 month or so. What do you think that our investor here should do? He's picked it up at 289.
Yeah, see, this stock in general has been an underperformer for sure, and return on investment is something that an investor always looks forward to. Here, I believe that return on investment is not coming in. At the same time, the 235, 240 is an important crucial support, which is also a base of around 2014 levels. So it would remain trading between this range of 235 and 255 in a range. And a breakout would be given on the technical charts only about 265. So I would be a buyer only if we move about 265, which is very unlikely for now. So till the time you can invest this money somewhere else, which will give you much more better returns.
All right. But our viewer also wants to understand what is a short-term horizon and what must he expect from NBCC. So Kiran, what exactly are the chart patterns suggesting for this stock?
Right. I would just second my thought with Gaurang that, there was a stock split in June 2016. And if he is bought then the price today would, he would have doubled his investment by now. So considering that he has purchased post this corporate adjustment, I believe that at current levels, he should hold with a stop loss of around 195. The current correction that we are seeing has a very strong support at around 200. I don't think the stock should go below that. And eventually it should rise even further. So it's a strong hold from my side.
Okay.